just across the road where we live. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you along with my husband and my little one, my 2-year-old son. And this park is so beautiful, guys. I can't tell you. Can you see? Can you see the greenery there? And the beautiful blue sky. It's just so gorgeous. I just love this park. And seriously, I feel so blessed that we live to such a beautiful place. We have such a beautiful place nearby. These ducks are so cute. Wow, lots of them here. Yeah, it's so cute. And again. Hey baby! Baby! यहाँ आके I feel so refreshed, so nice. It's just like I can't express it in words. The feeling I feel here, the feeling I get here. Every time if I'm feeling low, if I'm not feeling too good, I just come here and take a stroll. I can't stress you enough how important it is to bring your babies to the park or anywhere outdoor. It's very important for their development, for their motor skills and everything. और जैसे कि अभी मेरा बेबी छोटा है तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं निकल पाती हूँ दिन में. So जब मेरे हस्बैंड ऑफिस से आते हैं, so I try to come with him and take my little one to see the ducks, feed the ducks. Adit loves to play with the ducks. I can just show it to you now. Okay, now अब हम आशीष से पूछते हैं कि उनका क्या कहना है about bringing baby to the park and about their development.
Yeah, I think for me every baby is like an individual soul, so it all depends upon baby to baby. So sometimes some babies may like going to park, some babies may not, but I think as a parent we should try to encourage them for more outdoor activities
exactly.
And rather than indoor.
Because nowadays kids, they just want to spend the time in front of the TV or on their gadgets and mobile. So I think it's very important for them and for their development, like we are saying.
Yeah, I think it's extent the fault is of parents.
Because you think so?
Yeah, because I mean, as a babies they don't know what gadgets are or what phones are or videos are. It's us who probably.
कई बार हमें खुद का कुछ काम करना रहता है तो हम सोचते हैं कि चलो. Let them play with the mobile. Let them watch some videos.
I think now he wants to go.
Okay, we'll catch you guys later. Bye. Also, when I see people working out here or running, having a walk or jogging, it just motivates me so much. I've seen like people, especially women who are like in their 60s, 70s, and the way they run and everything, the way they work out, it just amazes me. I tried so hard to be able to, match up to some of those women. Like really hats off to them. मैं भी कोशिश करती हूँ कि non-stop 10 से 15 मिनट तक दौड़ पाऊँ. Because I'm just building up my stamina. It's not that easy, but still I'm trying. Let's see where it goes. अब हम पार्क आ चुके हैं. Exactly पार्क में तो हम पहले ही थे. हम प्ले एरिया में आ चुके हैं, where there's lots of sands and झूलास. Thought let's not disturb the kids who are playing. Yeah, let them have their own time. Let them enjoy themselves. कितनी शोर हो रहा है, आप लोगों को आवाज़ें आ रही होंगी. Guys, I can't get over the fact it's 8 o'clock in the evening now. God, look at the sunlight. Wow. Can you see it? That's Europe for you. Sometimes I feel so blessed that I stay near such a beautiful place. Like I said, this place is just across the road from where we stay. And I try to make most of this place. Evenings में कोशिश करती हूँ कि evenings में आऊँ. Sometimes I try and come here in the morning before my husband leaves for the work. So मुझे जितना भी मौका मिलता है यहाँ आने का, I try and come. अधृत के साथ ज़्यादा नहीं आ पाती हूँ क्योंकि वो भी बहुत छोटा है, उसे प्रैम में बैठना भी पसंद नहीं है, तो थोड़ा सा it gets difficult to manage on my own. So when Ashish is there, when he comes back from the work or on the weekends, I definitely don't miss any chance to come here and play with him. And he just loves it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm falling for your love.
In a minute, I'll take you to the pond we have here. You will find lots of ducks there. So yeah, I'll just take you there with us. And आज हमने bread carry नहीं करी है. Normally we try and carry breads so we can feed the ducks. Adrit loves feeding the ducks. Yeah. So this is the lake I was talking about. It's just so beautiful. Everything is so serene, so peaceful. I can't see many ducks here now at the moment, but normally we have like loads of ducks, hundreds of ducks. And here Adrit, I think he's bored now, he wants to go home, or probably he's hungry now. So we are now going back, heading back to the home.
I need you, I need me, so baby, I have you to hold. I'm falling for your love. I'm falling for your love. For your love.